Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to save time and streamline your social media posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through how to create custom Canva templates that you can reuse again and again to automate your social media content creation. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid template ready to go, making your workflow not just easier, but a whole lot more professional looking as well. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and head over to Canva.com. If you haven't used Canva before, you'll need to create a free account, but don't worry, that only takes a minute. Now, once you're there, you'll see this bright, inviting homepage with lots of options. Look for that big Create a Design button, usually perched up in the top right corner. Give that a click. This is basically your gateway to designing just about anything in Canva. Even if you're brand new, don't be intimidated. Canva is built to be super intuitive. Once you've clicked Create a Design, it's time to tell Canva exactly what you want to make. In the search bar, type social media, and you'll see a list of different sizes Canva recommends: Instagram posts, Facebook covers, Pinterest pins, and so on. Pick the one that fits your needs best. For instance, if you're building Instagram content, select Instagram post. This step matters because using the right dimensions means your post will look sharp and professional, not awkwardly cropped or pixelated. After selecting your format, Canva will instantly open up a blank canvas, and on the left, you'll notice a ton of ready-made templates. Here, where things get really fun. Browse through these templates by scrolling or using the search bar to refine your style. Don't rush this part. Find a template that closely matches the vibe you want for your brand or campaign. Maybe you like clean lines, or maybe something more playful. The beauty of templates is that they save you lots of effort while still letting you customize the design as much as you want. Once you've picked a template, click on it and it'll pop right onto your canvas. Now comes the step that makes your template uniquely yours: editing the details. You can click on any text box to change the copy, replace placeholder text with your real content. If it says your quote here, go ahead and add your actual quote or update it with your business name, slogan, or whatever you have in mind. You can adjust fonts, change the sizing, and even play with the placement. Take your time with this. Think of it as laying the foundation for every future post you'll make with this template. Now let's make it pop. This is where you add in your brand's colors, drop in logos, or introduce some visual effects. Click on any part of the design and check the toolbar up above for color swatches. Swap out Canva's default colors with your own brand palette so your posts stay on brand and consistent. This is super important for brand recognition. You can also add decorative elements like icons, stickers, or background patterns. If you want to add a subtle drop shadow or play with transparency, experiment in the effects menu. Don't be afraid to try different looks. Canva makes it easy to undo changes if something doesn't quite work. And just like that, you've got a reusable Canva template. You can use this template to quickly plug in new images or text whenever you need a fresh post, saving you tons of time. Remember, your template doesn't have to be perfect the first time. Over time, you'll figure out tweaks that suit your evolving style. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own Canva tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.